Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and today we're going to be working with the Eurotherm EPack, and we are going to upgrade this unit via the Feature Passcode option. So if you ordered one of these and there's a firmware feature you want that you forgot to order, there's no need for a new controller. We can just, in most cases, upgrade the unit. So here's how we go about doing that. First off, there are 4 things we are going to need out of the existing unit before we can upgrade it. First, we're going to need the firmware version. Second is the instrument number, or also called the serial number. And then there's a feature code 1 and a feature code 2 that we'll need. So let me show you how we're going to do this. So I'm going to power this unit up. And when it first powers up, you will see the firmware version right here. This is version 6.00. So write that down. And we can do this either through the instrument keypad or in iTools, but we're going to do it through the keypad here. So got our page key here, our down and up buttons, and our enter key. So I'm going to hold or toggle this until I get to go to. So we'll do that again. Toggle the page key. Go to, hit enter, and then I want to go to config, which is passcode 3. Then we're going to hit the page key again and come down to info. Enter. So here's that serial number, software version, passcode 1 and 2. So if I want to see the serial number, we're going to hit that. The serial number is 10168. Back out by hitting the page key. Then we're going to drop down to the software version, which we already saw in the power-up. That's another way to get to it. There's version 6.0. Passcode 1 is 6320. And finally, passcode 2 is 37663. Once we have those parameters, you're going to send that information to your distributor or through your inside salesperson, along with a PO to unlock whatever feature you want, and we will send you back either a new passcode 1 or a passcode 2, or possibly both. But when you get them, you're going to go ahead and enter that. So I'm going to generate new codes on this, and we'll come back and we're going to unlock the Ethernet IP communication feature. Okay, so I submitted the information and I've got my new code back. So we're going to come back in. We're going to go back to info like we did, enter. And in this case, only passcode 2 changed. So we're going to come back down to passcode 2, enter, and the new code I received is 28874. So we're going to run this down. The longer you hold it, the faster it goes. You can also do this in iTools, which is sometimes just as quick, especially if you have an Ethernet cable handy. So 28874. I was talking and overshot it, so we'll come back up to 28874. There's 28874. We're going to hit the enter key. So it's going to automatically do a reboot and reset. That'll unlock the feature we have. We'll come back in to make sure the codes were accepted right. So we'll give it a moment here. We'll redo this again. So hit our page key. Go to config, passcode 3, oops, go to config, passcode 3, come down to info, go to passcode 2, and there's my entered number. So that is the procedure for unlocking features via the passcodes. Remember, you have to log back out. You can see the little wrench here. We're still in configure mode. log back out, access, go to, in this case we're going to go back to operator. So if you're in the configuration level, the unit will not control. It's shut off as a safety feature. So anyway, remember to log back out when you're done. And that's really about it. Pretty straightforward. So hope you find this useful, but please drop us an email or give us a call. Thank you.